Oh, here's my PS2. I tried to take it apart, clean it, check the battery. Battery's dead, but in the process, as I was working on it, this detached my fan. And I've been watching videos about using flex. And I put a goop on there. I used my soldering iron, stuck it on there, and used the pliers to hold it down. And guess what? It works. Lit up. It works. So I'm going to put it back together. And hopefully it keeps cool. Once back together, I put tape across this. And get all the screws, finally get all the screws put back in place. And now I just put it back together and try it out. Hello fellow YouTubers, I thought I'd show you a little video of my PS2. Yeah, had to modify it. The fan, as you can see, the connector, came off. A few years ago, that came off the board, the little connector. And now, I would try to put it back on there last night. The traces on the board inside, over here, are no longer there. I don't have the equipment or the microscope or whatever you call it, all that technology stuff, to solder this back on the board, because now the tracers are gone. And for me to do it, I need a better soldering iron and all the other equipment to take off this trace here, take this connector off and find the traces and solder the wires to the traces, or have wires go to the traces. Anyway, I want to show you how it works. There's the power button. So I got it plugged into the USB part, and it works. I don't know if the picture works or not, because I haven't had a chance to check the picture, if it connects or not, because that's all upstairs and everybody's still in bed. But thought I'd make a little video of this and show you what happened to my, well, I bought this back in 2007, my retro PS2 system. It turns on, everything all works on it. I can hear the DVD drive laser go back and forth, so that's working. So what happened to it, I had it sit on the bed with nothing underneath of it. It overheated and then it shut down. I imagine the heat probably took my connecting things off the board, my soldering disconnected, and from the heat of the board probably unsoldered those. I just tapped it with my soldering iron I had, and this is what I used to, crude but effective. I use that, try to look through the magnifying glass at the circuit board. And this is the soldering iron I was using. Well, and there's the solder I used, and the flux for pipes. But it's working, but I don't know if there's a picture or not. I have to find out later on to hook it up. And if there is, I'll put in the comments to let you know if there's a picture. And that's it for now. Peace.